your coastal waters forecast for the KHB32 listening area for the National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Hillsborough County in west central Florida, southwestern Polk County in central Florida, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hillsborough River State Park to near Greater Sunday Center, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lakeland, Plant City, Mulberry, Alphi River State Park, Hillsborough River State Park, Mingo, Fort Lonesome, Fish Hawk, Plant City Airport, and Boyette. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Hillsborough and Polk.
This is KHB Radio KHB32.